Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching the dongle to the tattoo device protocol and ensuring the tattoo unit has at least half charge. This prevents disconnects during pairing. Once the dongle is plugged into the host computer or tablet, install any driver prompts immediately so the OS recognizes the adapter. Make sure the tattoo device is in its wireless or pairing mode. You'll see a blinking LED. At this point, launch the pairing utility or Bluetooth manager to scan and lock onto the tattoo device's advertised name. Once the manager shows your tattoo device, select it and verify the MAC or visible name to avoid wrong connections. If a PIN or code appears, type it on the host or confirm on the tattoo unit. This secures the link. Then open the control software and assign the dongle's serial COM port or BLE GAT services. Set baud, parity, or characteristic endpoints as the device manual specifies. Make sure to save the profile so future sessions reconnect automatically without repeating. Finalize by sending a brief test command or run a calibration cycle to confirm the tattoo device responds and latency is acceptable. If you encounter drops or non-responsive controls, reboot both the host and tattoo unit, then remove and repair the dongle to clear stuck profiles. Make sure both firmware images are current. Outdated firmware often causes incompatibility. If problems persist, check for wireless interference, swap USB ports, or try a powered USB hub to rule out insufficient power as the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.